What's going on, guys? Welcome back to a brand new video, and in today's video we're going to be taking a look at the Harman Kardon Onyx Studio 5. Now this is a speaker I've been wanting to feature on the channel since the earlier versions of the Onyx of the Studio, but I wasn't able to get those versions. But hey, I got the 5 version. I can't wait to check it out. So first off, let's take a look at the box. So right here we have the Onyx Studio branding right there, along with a picture of how the speaker looks. And according to this little mark right here, it is the Red Dot Award 2018 winner, and I'm pretty sure that's a big deal. To the bottom there we have the Bluetooth wording and logo right there, just to tell you the way it's going to connect, which is Bluetooth. To this side of the box, it's pretty much just a different angle of the speaker, and to the opposite side of that, oh, there we go, we got a top view of how the handle is going to look. And then to the back of the speaker, we just have Bluetooth right here, 8 hours of playtime, wireless dual sound, and then the box contents, of course, we have the speaker, and then we have the charger. Of course, we're going to need the charger because it is portable. So on the go, guys, this is going to be a pretty cool option if you're going to be having a crazy, maybe outdoor party. Might want to consider the speaker. Alright, so let's jump into the box and see what we have. Alright, so we got these two little tabs here. We're just going to pull it. It's cool that it had a little carry handle, because to bring this thing home, it does have a little weight to it. So the handle came in pretty handy. Alright, just some more logos at the top there. Bluetooth power down, volume down, power button. What is that? Power up button, play and pause. I'm pretty sure that's just an illustration of all the controls the speaker has. There we go. It's just looking pretty nice so far. Alright. So this box here, pretty sure this one has the charger in it, but I don't think we're going to be using the charger in this part of the video, guys. Let's just see the way the charger looks. Trying to get it out is such a pain sometimes. Alright, so we got some rating material, which, we're not going to take a look at that. You guys can always read it on your own time. And then we have 2 cables right here. Now this is like an 8 cable. Let's just pop it open really quickly. Yeah. Come on. Don't want to destroy the bag now. There we go. So when I say 8, I mean like this little connection here kind of looks like the figure 8. And then it just plugs into the back here. And then the other end here just plugs into the speaker. So I'm pretty sure the speaker is going to have some juice. So we're not going to be using the charger. Alright. Let's pull out the speaker. I think that's everything in there. So it's just a nice, pretty looking styrofoam cloth feeling thingy. Keep the speaker from getting any damage while it's in the packaging. Ooh. And there's the speaker, ladies and gentlemen, boys and gals. Nice looking speaker right here. Wow. Alright. So I'm going to bring it up to the camera a little bit. So we have the Harman Kardon logo at the bottom there. Then we also have the Bluetooth button right there. We also have the power up, the volume down, power on and on button, which we'll just press right now. There you go. And then we got a little white LED light there. Volume up, play and pause. When you hear that sound, that's how you know you're ready to connect the speakers. Now this one, unlike the Wi-Fi speaker in the last video, you do not need to download any app because it is Bluetooth. You pretty much just need to grab your device, make sure it's in pairing mode, which is indicated by that blinking LED right there. In this case, I'm going to be using my iPhone 7 Plus. Now we're just going to go on over to the Bluetooth right there. Turn on Bluetooth, and then boom, there it is, guys. Onyx Studio 5. Just gonna hit that, and how easy was that, guys? Pretty easy. That's probably by far the easiest pairing of any speaker, even though Bluetooth is pretty simple. But this one paired really, really fast, guys. Now, for the moment you've all been waiting for, let's hear how the speaker sounds. So we're gonna head over to YouTube. Oh, that's me typing. We're going to just go for some non-copyright music. Let me see what comes up. We have... Oh, comment below, guys, because in coming videos, I'm going to be featuring some more speakers. Comment below some nice or some good copyright, non-copyright music that, I can play on these videos, because I kind of need some good ones, guys. Alright, so non-copyright music, we're gonna head up to, where is it? This one right here. Of course, we got the Alan Walker Faded. We're just gonna rock that for now. So just note, so the speaker volume actually controls the volume on your iPhone. So if you turn up the speaker here, it turns up the volume on your phone. So it's kind of one volume, so you can either control it by your phone or by the speaker. Alright, so we're gonna let this run a little bit just so the sound can build up, and I'm gonna take it up to 100% right now. So I'm pretty sure you guys heard that bass drop. It has an insane bass drop. Sound is pretty good. Sound is pretty loud. And this is just on the battery. I do believe once you plug the charge in, you do get a little bit more of power, but just on battery, guys. So let me just show you that this is not connected. There, guys. There's no power in there. And actually, we have power aux cord in as well. So if you don't want to run Bluetooth, you can just run the aux cord. And then we have power and service right there. But just the speaker on its battery, on its built-in battery, packs a mean punch, guys. Alright, so I'm gonna go over and just play the other song on this list, which is Cartoon On and On. Let's hear how that one sounds. Alright, this one sounds pretty chill. Alright, I'm gonna turn it all the way up now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Those were pretty good, guys. I'm not gonna lie. That sound is insane. I got this hold on right here. This is the best non-copyright song of 2017, bass boosted. So let's see how this is gonna sound on the speaker, guys. Now shout out to non-copyright music. All your songs are awesome. And shout out to, I'm gonna just show it on camera right here. This is the song that's playing right now. Alright, so we're gonna max out the bass, or the volume. And that's how the speaker sound, guys. It's very loud, very good looking. It's a nice looking speaker, guys. Doesn't do it justice for all you viewers or subscribers in the United States of America. If you guys want to see the speaker in person, check out your local Best Buy. If you live in New York, there's a Harman Kardon store in Manhattan. And if there's a Sprint store in your area, Sprint has been the wireless carrier, stop by. They usually have the speaker on display so you can hear it, feel it, see it, and just, you know, like, just, the speaker is crazy, guys. Alright, and I think that's pretty much where we're going to end the video. Not a lot to say. The speaker pretty much speaks for itself. Design is good. The name is good. It's Harman Kardon, a pretty good speaker brand, and it just destroyed my room for a second, guys. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button if you guys liked the video. Share it if you think it's going to help anybody. Maybe you guys wanted to purchase the speaker. Of course, purchase link will be in the description below, in case you guys want to check it out after the video. And until next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.